Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to bake salmon fish with potatoes. We need salmon, potatoes, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of black pepper, half is ginger powder, half is garlic powder, and little bit of mixed herb. First of all, we need big baking tray covered with foil paper and salmon and potato place on it, and after that seasoning with all herbs and spices, which one I show you, and then few drops of olive oil, and in the last you need to sprinkle some fresh lemon juice on, and please remove the seed, cover with foil paper, fold and seal it at the sides, and put it in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes, and serve with boiled eggs and mayonnaise. So yummy. My kids love it. I hope you like it. It's very easy and simple dish and quick as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. Take care. Bye.